Welcome back to Automotive Territory Daily News. Not so long ago, we have already covered the topic of all-new hot hatchbacks, but the latest news announcements force us to revisit this class of performance autos. In this Volume 2 episode, we'll cover the upcoming 2022 hot hatches with factory-built credentials and some great modifications that will be coming out from independent tuning workshops. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel and enjoy regular lineup reviews with informative commentary. We start the engines now. VW Golf GTI Clubsport 45. To celebrate the 45th birthday of the iconic nameplate, VW created this exclusive variant of the Golf GTI. Based on the regular Clubsport, the commemorative edition boasts several design improvements, such as the metallic black finish on the door mirrors, a gloss black tailgate spoiler, and exclusive badges. The hot hatch rides on unique 19-inch Scottsdale alloy wheels with red pinstripes, and also gained a lightweight Kropavich exhaust system. On the inside, the sports seats feature GTI embroidery, and the steering wheel gets 45 lettering. Under the hood, the Clubsport 45 has a boosted 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that pumps out 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. In addition, Volkswagen removed the electronic speed limiter, meaning that this is the fastest Golf in the family with a top speed of 166 miles per hour. Cupra Born. Underpinned by the VW Group's modular MEB platform, this new electric hatch gets the same battery options as its ID3 sibling, but adds a more performance-oriented configuration. It joins efforts of a single electric motor that drives the rear wheels, and either a 58 or 77 kWh battery pack. In both cases, the system is rated for 231 horsepower with the optional e-boost package, while the range reaches 260 or 335 miles. The quickest of all Borns is the mid-tier model, and it is rated for 6.6 seconds 0 to 62. Other perks of the hot hatch include Cupra-developed dynamic chassis control with 4 modes, electronic stability control, and speed-sensitive steering. Finally, the hatchback rocks a sharp exterior look with signature copper accents, and gets a wide range of interior tech, from a 12-inch infotainment to an augmented reality head-up display. Brabus B45. Driven by the world's most powerful mass-production four-cylinder engine, the new generation Mercedes-AMG A45S is pushed to its true limit only when the German tuner Brabus gets down to business. With the new airbox duct and boost extra adapter, the B45 gets additional 29 ponies and peaks at 450 HP and 406 pound-feet of torque. This allows to shave off 0.2 from the stock 0 to 60 acceleration, which now takes just 3.7 seconds. The company promises that their treatment does not impact the engine's durability and gives it 62,000 miles of warranty. Additionally, the B45 is fitted with height-adjustable sports springs and a set of custom-made monoblock 20-inch black wheels. Inside, expect the regular Brabus fine leather interior, aluminum pedals, and illuminated stainless scuff plates. Mini electric pace setter and JCW. Custom-developed pace setters is a common tactic to promote electric cars through various automotive competitions. The racing pedigree of the electric Mini Cooper SE was demonstrated through a JCW-inspired model developed as a joint project between Mini Design, BMW Motorsport, FIA, and Formula E. By acquiring lightweight 18-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport tires, 3D-printed carbon fiber body kit, and interior elements, it sheds nearly 300 pounds to reach 2,706 pounds of curb weight. The Mini Hatch gets racing spec coilover suspension and control arm mountings, a 10mm increase in track width, plus 6-piston brakes. With its standard 181 horsepower drivetrain, this electric Mini might not be all that hot. But let's not forget that John Cooper Works division is already working on a legitimate performance version of this hatch that is rumored to get a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup with nearly 300 horsepower. Litchfield Toyota GRS. Arguably the most exciting mass-produced bucket truck to come out in years, the stock GRS was engineered with the help of experts at Toyota Gazoo Racing World Rally Team, so it was basically designed to lift trophies in style. This is the first Toyota model in 20 years to incorporate sports all-wheel drive system labeled GR4. The standard TRS is powered by a 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbo engine that makes 275 horses and 265 pound-feet. But in 2021, Litchfield Motors have come out with an equipment package that increases the output beyond these figures. The plug-and-play custom ECU and ITG performance air filter power up the tiny two-door to 305 HP and 290 pound-feet. The GRS performance advantage is further reflected in the open or torsion limited slip differential, newly developed rally-bred suspension, sport-grade tires, and a 6-speed manual transmission. Peugeot Racing Aeris Zero2. Performance hatchbacks are often referred to as bucket rockets, but if you're looking for a true embodiment of this definition, then this Italian beast, reworked by the German Peugeot Racing, is the only way to go. Based on the flagship 500 Abarth with 180 HP, the two-door wears an all-carbon fiber wide-body kit, gets a limited slip differential, and relies on a new coilover suspension setup. The smallish 1.4-liter engine goes through significant modifications and features a more massive turbocharger that is able to heat it up to 414 horses and 314 pound-feet. Handling all this power is tricky, so Aeris Zero2 also comes equipped with a better dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 60 acceleration takes just 4.7 seconds, while the maximum speed reaches unbelievable 179 miles per hour. It's time to stop hesitating and finally click that like button. Your support is greatly appreciated. Let's proceed. Peugeot 308 Hybrid. The new generation 308 is not specifically positioned as a hot hatchback, but its top-of-the-line plug-in hybrid version deserves to make the cut as one of the best-looking hatches of the recent years. This is the first Peugeot to adopt the new company logo, and it further explores the latest feline design language of saber-toothed lions. The powertrain in question is comprised of a 180 horsepower 1.2-liter pure-tech gasoline, 109 HP electric motor, 12.4 kWh battery, and an 8-speed automatic. The system yields 225 HP of combined effort and has 37 miles of electric endurance. The new Peugeot 308 Hybrid gets the fabled digital 3D iCockpit, iConnect infotainment with customizable interface, 360-degree 4-camera parking assistance, adaptive matrix LED headlights, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and automatic speed adjustment around curves. Golf GTI 290 by Manhart. One of the few tuning houses who have already gotten their hands on the 8th generation Golf, Manhart chose to modify the performance-oriented GTI with 245 HP. The brand's iteration of the model brings more aggressive touches, such as a new rear diffuser, red pinstriping on both sides, and all-black 19-inch multi-spoke rims in Venturi style. To give the car a mirror stance, the company fitted the GTI with 40mm lowering springs from H&R and also tuned the suspension for prior handling. Finally, Manhart used their in-house MH-tronic powerbox module that raises the output of the stock 2-liter turbocharged 4-pot to 290 ponies and 313 pound-feet of twist. BMW 128 Ti. Dollar Competition Line is a Swiss tuning company that specializes exclusively in creating upgrades and mods for BMW cars. This hot hatch is based on the new generation 1 Series Turismo Internazionale that is boosted to offer a healthy alternative to the stock M135 xDrive. With the installed plug-and-play engine performance tuning module, the car's 2-liter turbo mill is boosted to 313 horses instead of the previous 265. This makes the 128 Ti more powerful than the mentioned M. Additionally, you can opt for the Aventuri carbon fiber intake, forged or alloy 20-inch wheels, and a lowering kit for the suspension. Audi S3 by Abt. While the new generation S3 still continues testing, those Audi fans who would like a slightly more potent S3 hatch can turn to Abt Sports line. The new performance kit from the Bavarians focuses exclusively on squeezing more juice from the 306 horsepower TSI. With the new engine control unit, the 2-liter 4-pot produces 370 horses and peaks at 332 pound-feet. Abt does not reveal how this boost impacts performance, but rumors suggest a half-a-second improvement over the stock 4.8 seconds time getting to 60. Other available upgrades include a new sport exhaust with 4 4-inch pipes, 19 or 20-inch wheels, and an Abt brand stop-start button. How do you like this Volume 2 video about the upcoming hot hatchbacks? Mention your favorite models in the comment section, and make sure to check out the original episodes by following the link on the screen. Smash the like button, subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News, and support our channel by shopping through the merchandise store if it's available in your country. See ya!